Poltergeist Pathfinders here. We are still at the Brooksville Hillside Estates. We showed you guys a lot of the little apartment complex. Now we're going to show you the houses. We'll go to this one.
What is it? What day is it?
Saturday.
Hump day.
Hump day. God.
I'm thinking when it comes to sex, man.
Dude, there's a dog toy. They had a dog. Hello?
That's fine.
It's really cold in here. What is that?
Alright.
Look at this. Kasper, go. Devon! What was that?
Front door.
You tried to open it?
Yeah. I'm sorry, we're in abandoned places and I tried to store it off.
Kasper just set off an alarm. This one?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I don't know.
Whoops. We accidentally set off an alarm. I wonder if cops will come. What do you think?
Right? Maybe we heard some dogs.
I think that's just for the house, you know?
Uh-huh.
Here's the missus. Huh? We set off an alarm.
Where?
The house alarm. There's an alarm in there that still works. He went to open the front door. We went through the back, but he opened the front door and the alarm started going off. We need to run to a gas station real quick because we'll be back, guys. I'm going to pause the video here. I'll continue it when we come back. All right, guys. So we are back from the gas station. Got my CBD oil. I hope we're not. These guys just pulled over asking us questions and stuff. Like, I hope that's not like a setup to get robbed.
Well, I mean, look where we're at, right?
Wow. You want to try it? Here we are. The abandoned, what is this called again? Hillside
Estates.
Hillside Estates. Oh, I feel relaxed from it.
Everyone was forcibly evicted in 2012.
Everyone was forcibly evicted from here in 2012. It's definitely got that hemp oil taste. Here you go, Devon. Want to go back in the house?
Not that one.
Not that one? Let's try this one.
Don't go too far.
I think that's the front door. Here's the front door right here. All right, here we go, kids.
Should we go to the front door or go to the back door?
We'll see if there's a back door. What? We hear cops coming, but
It's not really.
I'm gonna explore this house just real quick. If the alarm goes off, it goes off. Locked. Yep. They're heading that way.
Yeah, they're not coming. Right?
Yeah, we're just getting a little paranoid now because the alarm in one of those houses went off.
Yeah, it's gone.
They're gone. They wouldn't turn on their sirens to try to catch somebody off guard either.
True. But still, that's fucking...
Yeah.
Wait.
Locked. We could go back in there in that one. It's just we got to use that back door, you know.
Yeah. Oh, we can go back. Let's go. No,
You want to?
The back door.
Okay.
Open.
Like, look at this place.
Careful with that guy, though.
Oh, I don't want to film other people. Privacy.
big empire.
Yeah, look at those. So we are here exploring the Hillside Estates.
Just don't go in there yet. Look around.
Okay. And look at it. All these, I don't even know why I had the light. Look at this. Just abandoned. Nothing. Oh, dude, there's a hole up there.
Huh?
There's a hole up here. All right, he's going away. Oh, I have no back pain or neck pain right now. CBD oil, try yourself some. What was that, Kasper? Huh? Your bit?
Really, really itchy.
My legs are.
What?
My legs are. All right, we're gonna try to go back in here.
All right, careful. Why'd you close it? Why'd you close it?
It's still going off.
It is? All right.
Yeah, but it's like where you going?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Let's go to the next one. We can't give up now.
You can't even hear that. We're good. It's not that loud.
Actually, when Omar and Mo came here, there was knocking on one of the doors.
You hear that?
Yeah, that's the farms right here. Let's try this one.
Try the back door.
Oh, I hear a car coming.
What? Where?
Hold on, let's try it.
No.
Locked.
Do people just come here just look around? Like that guy. who
Yeah.
just drove.
Just to see old abandoned places. Damn it. We're gonna find one. I bet you that was the one they got into.
Yep. Look at all these houses out
Yeah, I know.
God.
Are these houses, or what do they consider when it's like two houses, one's in the front, one's in the back?
Like what? Like one of those suplex sauce things, whatever it's called?
Yeah, see the farms right there. Oh yeah. Spider. Ah! He jumped on me. Look at that. There's people's shoes here.
What is that?
That's the farm
I know,
right
what
there.
is that? Sounds like a, what is that, a jackass? A donkey?
There's, I think, what she's talking about.
What's that?
With the cameras. Fuck it, I'm gonna try the front door. We may just have to go through that house just to show them what they would have all looked
Why
like.
would only one house be open?
Probably someone kicking it in or something. But this is all abandoned, people. They said in the video they did hear screaming. There's a farm over there with animals.
I heard like 10 screams.
Yeah, we've heard. Yep.
But it sounds like a donkey almost.
That was. You want to just go back to that one, or
No.
you want to keep trying?
Keep looking around. I'd rather just look around anyway.
This was all bumping community at one point, man.
Devon said room 805 is open.
834. Yeah, that's the first one, isn't it?
Let me ask you which one's that?
Yeah. The missus said room 805 is open. I think that's that first one. Dude, imagine a giant manhunt game here.
Dude, like capture flag
Yeah.
and shit. Manhunt's fun though.
Dude, this is crazy. It's like Nuketown. Nuketown?
Nuketown.
Nuketown. She said, well, oh, definitely.
Well, not I wouldn't do paintball.
Airsoft.
You destroy. Not destroy, but you get paint.
Airsoft. Little BBs.
I don't know. I like manhunt better.
I
That
do.
or capture flag would be fun.
Or LARP. I know how to pick a lock, but I don't want to break in. Dude, somebody's satellite dish. I'm feeling lucky about this one. I don't know why. My luck may be wrong. It's wrong.
It's... No, that's not the one. That's the one we're going to, right?
Right there. Across the street. No. 309. There's 305. Let's try 805.
I don't know what that would be.
Dude, look at this. It's a court. Whatever road this was called, it was court.
Across the front of the main building that says Brooksville Home Society or some shit in the mailboxes. It says across from the hospital.
Well, where the hell's the mailboxes? Was that her yelling?
No, that was me. I wonder if she meant 305 or 805.
I bet you they were just coming. I bet you those guys were just coming here to do a little something, you know?
Yeah.
A little something, get their kicks, whatever. We don't care. You do what you do. What you do with your life, you do.
That's really loose though. It's because of that stuff. Huh?
No.
I mean, I would, but
Yeah. Well, the 8s are back over here, so.
I'm gonna go check all these.
Yeah.
Look over there.
Let's do it now.
Huh?
Hey, this one might be. Here's where people would put their hose, water the grass. Ah. I'd lock these up too. These are nice. Yeah, I'd lock these. These are nice. Here, you check those ones. I'll check these ones. I don't think we're gonna get. Oh, dude. Look at back there.
Oh wow. Someone try to keep this one down. See the footprint?
Yeah. Ah.
Dude, they're in a completely wrong spot. That's why. You can't keep the door in the middle of the fucking building.
You gotta kick it where the
You gotta keep it
the lock is. Not that we know. Nothing. All right, let's look for 805.
It's a 325.
I'm waiting to
Check over here. This looks like the main building.
Community Service Center. Oh, this is where the trouble, if you got in trouble with the law, they gave you community service. You come here, help clean up the place, do lawn work. Oh, those are the neighborhoods. The new neighborhoods. I just heard a door open. You hear that?
No.
Like a... You hear it? Oh, maybe the birds. Yeah, that's the new community now. Over there.
Yeah. Oh, see, look at that shit, dude. They're speaking in the wrong spot. What about this? It's just wooded up. Right there, baby.
Oh, yeah. We got an open door. Open your knife just in case. I can't. I'm going to have to...
Get your flashlight in.
Look like they kicked down that one successfully.
Yeah.
So we got to be careful though. We don't know who's in there. I did say I heard a door opening.
True. Can you see the flashlight and go in?
Yeah, because you got the weapon. Be like, hello? Hello?
No. There's fresh cans.
Hold on. This door's not opening.
Hmm?
Is there somebody behind here?
No. There's just shit back there. Those cans,
Hello?
Those cans are new now.
Yeah. 75 cents a can. All right, you want me to hold the flashlight?
Okay.
Bro, this is crazy.
She said the guys are back.
Again?
She said those guys are back. Wanna go back over there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's explore this and then we'll end it.
Yeah.
Hello?
I heard something over there. Careful.
All right. Kasper?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ready to go?
yeah. All right, guys. Well, you saw what the inside of these houses look like. We're going to get going. There's a lot of people coming around. We've seen the same people come here twice and just drive around, so we're going to go ahead and get going. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more of this content. And we'll see you guys next time.